There are 1,001, probably more than that actually, unboxing videos of the Xbox Series X. One of the most difficult model names to remember because I keep getting it mixed up with the Xbox One X, Xbox X. It's the Xbox Series X. And I wasn't going to do an unboxing for you, but I thought, well, let's make it a little bit different. While I unbox it, I'll tell you a little bit about my sort of gaming background and gaming history, and the fact that this is the start of some gaming content on the Geekanoids channel. In fact, I'll be doing little gameplay videos, hopefully quite regularly for you, to show you just how bad I am at gaming. But it'll be fun anyway, and we all need a bit of fun, some escape from what's going on in the world. So that's what I'll be doing with this particular console. Now, I didn't get one when this was first launched. I wasn't lucky enough to get one of the very minuscule amount of stock that was available, but I managed to pick one up just recently. It's got some weight to it. Really nice box with a picture of that top vent on the front there. And then round on this side, we've got some details about some of the various features. I'm really looking forward to getting into this. So let's unbox this. I think it opens up this way. It says on the front here, supports up to 4K 120 frames per second, which is really cool. So let's unbox this and take a look. Ooh, wow, it is really nicely presented. Very, very cool. I did do an unboxing of the Sony PlayStation 5. You'll have seen that on the channel previously. That was a really sort of mediocre experience. The box was flimsy, it wasn't that great, but this is really nicely presented. And we got the console just sitting here ready to be taken out of the foam padding. Oh wow, that has got, I thought it was mainly like the box and the other contents. That has got some serious weight to it. I'm going to come back to that in a short while, so let's just pop this down. I think it's going to go up that way, so let's just pop that down carefully. Now, what else have we got inside here? We have got some instructions on getting started. So this is like a little handy guide about getting everything up and running. And then we've also got an accessory box in the back here. It's so nicely packaged. So let's do the boring bit first, the cables. So we have got a power cable. Now I'm in the UK, so this is a 3-pin UK power cable. And then we also got an HDMI cable. Now this is going to be an HDMI 2.1 cable. So that will allow it to support up to 4K 120 frames per second if your TV supports HDMI 2.1 as well. I've seen quite a few people investing in new TVs because their current 4K TV doesn't support that high refresh rate. We've also got some product information in here, and then we've also got just here the controller. Now, one of the things I must say, I don't mind what console I use. PlayStation 5's awesome. This one's going to be awesome. They're all good. They're all good fun and entertainment. But one of the things I do like about the PS5 controller is that it's rechargeable out of the box. And with the Xbox controller, you get a couple of AA batteries and the controller itself. If you want to turn this into a rechargeable controller, then you have to buy that plain charge kit. So I wish this was just rechargeable out of the box, but this feels very nice. Very similar, of course, in sort of shape and size, almost identical to the previous controllers. Feel like there's a bit more texture on the back on this one, and then we've also got a slightly different D-pad just down here, and then we've also got that, I think this direct share button just there. Also on the back it is USB-C, so if you do buy that plain charge kit or you want to use it wired, then you would use USB-C. Texture to the triggers as well, really nice feeling. I do like the Xbox controller a lot. I think that's pretty much it in the box. There's nothing else in there. So let's just get rid of the box and let's have a look at the console itself. So moving on to the console. Let's take this sleeve off. It says here, power your dreams. And then it's wrapped up in this nice black cloth. Oh, oh wow, I've caught a first glimpse of it there. It looks really nice. And let's just open this up. Take the bottom. I'm really excited for this. So as I mentioned, I'm going to be doing some gameplay. I got this with Game Pass. So with Game Pass, I'm going to have access to all of those games for just the one monthly fee. So I'm really excited about that because I haven't had Game Pass before. So here we go. Wow, this looks so nice. Very, very nice. We've got a nice base to it, so no additional stand required. We've got the disc slot here, of course supports 4K Blu-rays, USB on the front as well. We've also got an eject button down there, we've got the power button up the top, and then that really nice sort of vented grille with the green accents in the top there. Round the back, we have of course got some additional vents. I just want to cover up the serial number there. We've got an expansion port, HDMI port, a couple of USBs, we've got Ethernet and also the power socket. Give you a close-up look at those. So all of the connections you need on the back. This is a rock solid piece of kit. We can of course stand it vertically, but there is additional little rubber pieces here. Just notice though, there is some damage to the side of the console. Just there's a little bit of damage on that side corner, which yeah, not too impressed with that because this is going to go on display. So I might have to get on to the company I bought this from and see if they can swap it out, maybe sometime this year. We will see about that. But yeah, very excited. This is the Xbox Series X. Keep an eye out on the channel for some gameplay. And thank you very much for watching. Let me know if you picked up a next-gen console in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video, please do hit that like button. I appreciate you all watching. Also, let me know in the comment section below what games you would like to see me playing. Probably not successfully, but let me know if you've got any games you want covered as well in the comment section. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in another video very, very soon.